In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automated birthday campaign with Mailchimp. First, log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're on the main dashboard, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a menu there. Find the option labeled Automations and click on it. When you do, a few more options will appear underneath. From those, choose Flow Templates. This is where Mailchimp keeps a library of pre-built automations that you can customize. On the Flow Templates page, you'll see a variety of automation ideas. Scroll down until you reach the section called Nurture Leads. In that section, look for the template named Celebrate Customer Birthdays. Click on that option. Mailchimp will now load a preview of what this automation looks like, including the steps and the timing. If this matches what you're looking for, go to the top right corner of the page and click Use this flow to open it in the editor. Inside the flow editor, you'll see a visual map of your automation. By default, this birthday flow usually includes three key pieces: a choose a date trigger, a create an email action, and an add tag action. The trigger controls when the automation starts, the email action sends the message, and the tag step helps organize contacts. If you want to customize this flow further, look at the left toolbar and click on Map. A panel will slide out showing different rules and actions that you can add, like delays, additional emails, or conditions. To use any of these, simply drag them from the panel and drop them onto your automation map where you want them to run. To configure each step, click directly on it in the flow map. This will open a settings panel for that specific step. Let's start with the Choose a Date trigger. When you click it, a pop-up will appear. Here, you'll set the timing for your birthday message, such as sending it on the exact birthday or a few days before. Then choose birthday for the date field so Mailchimp knows which contact field to use and click Save Trigger. Next, click on the Create an Email action. Another pop-up will open. Here you can rename the step, adjust the to and from information, set your subject line, schedule, tracking options, and choose or design the email template. Take time to write a friendly, on-brand birthday message. When you're done, click Close to save those settings. Now click on the tag or untag action. A pop-up will appear that lets you decide what tag you want to apply or remove when someone goes through this birthday flow. This can be helpful for segmenting people who have recently received a birthday email. If you don't need this step at all, you can simply remove it from the flow. Otherwise, set the tag name, choose whether to add or remove it, and then click Save. After you've reviewed each step and are happy with your settings, you're ready to activate the automation. Look for the toggle or button that turns the flow on and enable it. Once it's on, Mailchimp will automatically send your birthday email based on the rules and timing you just set. And that's it. You've now created an automated birthday campaign in Mailchimp that runs on its own and helps you celebrate your subscribers every year.